I lost $80,000 in one night. Not in a year, not in a month, one night. And the crazy part is that mistake ended up being the best thing that ever happened to me, because that loss forced me to completely change the way I trade. And it's the reason I went from broke, humiliated, and back at zero to making millions in the market. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did wrong, the painful lesson that I learned, and how you can avoid making the same mistake that almost ended my career before it even started. I'll take you guys back to that night. I had $80,000, money I had earned trading, and money I was proud of. Genuinely, I thought I was a genius at that point. I thought I had it figured out, and I put it into a platform that promised safe returns and passive income and easy growth, and it was working for a while. Every week on that 80K, I'd make like $1,000, $2,000, and I'm like, damn, this is my ticket out of here. Overnight, it was gone just like that. One morning, I woke up, opened my account as I like to do in the morning, looking at nice numbers, and the number was zero, nothing. And if you guys, when I tell you my stomach dropped, my head was spinning. I didn't just lose my money, I lost my identity at that point. That money was everything to me. And of course, all my friends were like, I told you so. My family looked at me. Of course, I told you so. You failed, you're this, you're that. And in that moment, genuinely, I questioned everything that I thought I knew about trading, about success, about myself in general. Now, maybe your story is different. Maybe you didn't lose money to a scam. Maybe you lost it to chasing bad trades, bad signals, as they call it, or blowing up your account on leverage. But the feeling is the same. You feel stupid, you feel hopeless, and you feel like you don't know if you can ever come back from what you just did, from what just happened to you. Let me tell you guys that I did, and you can too. That loss taught me the first lesson, the most important lesson. If one mistake can wipe you out, your system is broken, period. When I worked at a hedge fund, risk was the first rule. We never risked more than 1% on a trade. And the reward had to be 2 or 3 times bigger than the risk every single time. That way, even if you lost more trades than you won, you'd still come out on top. You'd still be a profitable trader. I'll make it simple for you guys so you guys can get it. If you risk $100 to make $300, you can lose 6 out of 10 trades and still walk away profitable. And that's how I survive and how all other professional traders survive. But most retail traders blow up their accounts because they do the opposite. They risk $1,000 to make $200. It's a whole backwards system that most retail traders fall into that trap. And the second lesson, stop looking for shortcuts because there aren't any. I was chasing that easy money. That platform promised me returns, and it was giving them for a while, and it was pretty easy money. I mean, I'd wake up, more interest earned, free money. I also used leverage that would multiply my profits. Fast flips that could double my account. That mindset, if you want to make money in the markets, that mindset is poison. What I learned at the fund was the opposite. Boring, systematic, repeatable trades. That's what builds wealth. Not hype, not adrenaline, not gambling. The boring stuff is what pays, and that's the truth. The third lesson is that discipline beats signals every single time. See guys, after I lost everything, I stopped chasing what other people told me to do. I stopped copying signals. I stopped following random gurus, and I built my own system. It's a system that I knew I could actually trust because I knew why I was taking every single trade now. I wasn't just copy trading someone else. And once I built that system, that's when everything started to really click and change. Because when you trade with discipline, with a system that you understand, that's built for you, by you, the fear and emotions fade. You stop chasing and you can now just start executing. Once I applied these lessons, my entire trading flipped. Suddenly my losses were controlled. My winners were way bigger and my losers were way smaller, and my account started to compound. And guys, here's the truth. That $80,000 mistake wasn't a failure. It was, I like to call it a tuition fee. That's the price I had to pay to learn the lessons that turned me into a multi-millionaire. Most people quit when they blow up. I didn't. I'm not that type of person. I can't quit. I had to rebuild. And I did. And I came back stronger. So look, the point of this video is, if you've ever blown an account or taken a huge loss, a massive loss, hear me when I say this. It doesn't have to be the end. That loss can be your wake-up call, but only if you take the right lessons from it. That's exactly why I built the Luxe Trader. To give you the same framework that I use, the same mindset hedge funds use, without the years of pain and losses and helplessness and brokenness and everything else that I had to go through. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, check the links below, and remember one thing: think less, trade better. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.